Let's make kimchi, Polish style. I've got here a Chinese cabbage and some carrots. At first, let's chop them. I use peeler to cut carrot very thin. Add some salt and mix it. Leave it for a while. Boil half cup of water. Make a slurry with a potato starch. Add it to the boiling water. Ginger. Add a lot of gochugaru. More. I said more. Let's check out veggies. So juicy. Add water to wash the salt away. Add glue made of starch and gochugaru. Add some soy sauce. Pack it to the jar. Leave it on your counter for 2 days. Next, put it in the fridge. You can eat it on every stage of fermentation. Thanks for watching.